All right, I got a 2006 crew cab Chevrolet 1500. We're gonna be changing this door handle that's broken on the driver's side, which walk you through it. I snapped the lock out with the flathead, which is here, and the power window switch with a plug on the bottom. Show you that, and it was 1.7 millimeter here on the very bottom. Pop the cover off for the door handle. Lift straight up. Door panel. Here's a clip for the power window switch, and the little lock indicator that I popped out, and then the trim panel that went around here, got it out, and there's a 7 that went in the door panel. Like I said, try to pull this back a little bit. You're gonna access. You're gonna have 1, 2, and 3 10s. Show you here on this new one. You have 1 in the far corner and 2 on the very bottom, which are all 10s. And then show you how that comes out of here. Just like so. And I forgot to mention, you're gonna have this little mechanism which I had hanging out the door. This is what holds on the back side of the door handle, which connects to this. So this is what basically opens and closes the door. When you pull the handle, it pushes down on the mechanism in the door and it opens. So like I said, I'm just gonna do just reverse, put the screws and the clip back in the door panel. Like I said, this is 2006 Chevy 4-door Silverado. This is the driver rear outside door handle.